Welcome to another episode of Ham Radio on the Go. In today's video, we're going to take a look at some jets that were scrambled over New York City and Long Island, and that's coming up next. Okay, welcome back to the channel. This past week was the General Assembly in the United Nations in New York City, which is held every September, and just about every head of state is in attendance in the United Nations, which means security is top-notch, and there's a frozen zone in and around New York City. And apparently a Cessna, which took off from eastern Long Island, flew right into the frozen zone, and they could not raise the pilot on frequency. So they scrambled F15 jet fighters that responded to the Cessna and escorted them out of the frozen zone. That was the article in Newsday, and I was lucky enough to capture some video of the F-15s being scrambled over the south of Long Island. It's hard to see. The sun was directly in my face, but let's take a look. Okay, there you have it. That was the F15 fighter jet that was scrambled over New York City and Long Island. He did a few circles before I was able to get the camera on him, and then that's all I was able to catch, and he was gone. You could hear the sonic boom. It was you knew it wasn't a commercial jetliner, so I was able to quickly grab my camera and grab a couple of seconds of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe for future videos right here on Ham Radio on the Go. And don't forget, if you saw this, comment below and tell me what you were able to see, because it was over in a couple of seconds. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.